Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a healthy, protein and fiber rich salad recipe ideal as a lunchbox meal or as a dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small kadai, I'm adding in 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. And once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. Give it a stir. Chickpeas also known as chana. So what I have done is I soaked the chana overnight and then I pressure cooked it with some salt until it is nicely cooked. Once the chana is lightly mixed, I'm adding in some spices. First I'm adding in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon kashmiri chili powder. If you are using ordinary chili powder, reduce by half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and give this all a good mix. To make the salad more fiber and nutrient rich, I'm adding in 1 cup of palak leaves finely chopped. Instead of palak leaves, you can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice which is in season at the place you live in. I'm giving this a good mix. Cover and allow the leaves to get cooked. A couple of minutes later, open the lid and give it a good mix. Lastly, I'm adding in half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Give this a good mix. And my spiced chana mix is ready. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl and allow it to cool down. The best thing about this spiced chana mix is that you can make ahead this and store it in the refrigerator and it will keep good for a couple of days. So this way, it's an ideal way to meal prep for your salad. To assemble the salad, I'm using a large salad bowl, and into that I'm adding in 1 medium-sized carrot finely chopped. Next I'm adding in 1 medium-sized guava finely chopped. Guava has a low sugar content, it's low in glycemic index and high in fiber. It's also rich in vitamin C and potassium. Instead of guava, you can use any tropical fruit of your choice which is available at the place you live in. 1 medium-sized cucumber finely chopped, half teaspoon black pepper powder or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, a fat pinch of sea salt or as needed, squeeze in half a lemon, some fresh coriander leaves, add in the spiced chickpeas. For added healthy natural fats, I'm adding in a handful of walnuts. I'm just crushing the walnuts and adding in. Instead of walnuts, you can use any nut of your choice. The natural healthy fats from the walnuts and from the wood pressed groundnut oil will help to keep you feel satiated and fuller for a longer time. And lastly, I'm giving this all a good mix. Once nicely mixed, sprinkle some more chopped coriander leaves and my super healthy salad is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling lunchbox meal or as a dinner in your weight loss journey. So guys, do try this healthy salad recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.